So as you remember from the last video, we removed the old door frame and started to brick up the opening. So just a quick recap, we have added the damp proof, done the brick ties, got some wall ties for the inside skin, and yeah, all that sorted, and the insulation obviously. Today I'm going to be fitting the lintel and then the two sides of the window. It's just started raining, lovely. I'm going to attempt this on my own. What I'm doing now will be the side of the window, so I'm going to create the straight edge here for the window to sit up against, and then we're going to put the window up to it, and then obviously I can then measure how much I need from this side, but I think that's the best way to do it. I finished this part of the wall now. We've just propped the lintel in just so I can see what it's all going to look like. This is good. We've got a 5mm gap, so then now I can measure how much I need on these bricks here, because I have to cut them down. See what it's going to look like. This wall's pretty level, so then now basically what we've got to do is figure out what kind of measurement we need to cut the bricks here. I've just measured it and it's 17mm, so all I did was left a gap for the mortar line, measured it to the window, and then took 5mm off, because you're supposed to have 5mm gap all the way around the window, and that's gave me 17mm. So there'll be a full brick on these parts, and then there'll be a little sliver which I'll have to cut, which isn't ideal, but it's just the way it is. We bought this window from a local window and door shop. We got it for 50 quid. So we've had to build the hole to fit the window, which has been a bit annoying, but we got it a lot cheaper and we could get the job done fast, so yeah. The next bit to do is the lintel. We want to ideally keep it at the height it's at now. Tragically, this is the only thing we can find that's small enough, and with a little spirit level on. The lintel is finally in. We've measured it, it's all square, it's all level, so the correct measurements each side. We're going to let it dry now, and then we're going to fit the window tomorrow because I want it to be fully dry. A couple of things left to do on the inside. So we've got the rest of the blocks here to do, and up the side, and then the cavity stopper which I've bought. So just for a few people out there that won't believe that it's level, because on camera it can sometimes look a bit iffy. Can you see that? And then this side, so it's all level there. This is too big to fit up there, but yeah, I don't want any comments about these. Okay, so this is the only thing I'm struggling with a little bit, is I don't know whether I should, on this part, just stack them like that on top at the right size, or if I have to cut a smaller piece so then the joins overlap like these. I have no idea. This is the only way that I've ever seen it done before. I'm just going to do it, and comment down below if you have any advice. We've left enough room as well from the original wall, so we can plasterboard it if we want, or we can just bond it.